Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last videos, we have covered home insert functions, and we have covered some part of Vlookup functions. And this video would be the last video of Vlookup formula, where we are going to use Vlookup plus match functions. But before to start the video, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now we have this sheet where we have this data. So now we are going to learn about VLOOKUP match. So I have highlighted this. So whenever I'm going to select any answer, or we will get any values, this rows will be get highlighted with that values. Now here we are going to use validation, and to do that you can go to the data, and here we have this function data validation. Just use the data validation, and here we do have the list. You click here and you select all this employee ID, and simply you have to enter. So now we can select any employee ID from here, and now we are going to use VLOOKUP. So now VLOOKUP, and then I have already renamed the data as a data table. So now let me select this employee ID, and now we will use the table array. So that is data, as you can see, and now we are going to use match. And for match, I would like to see the values in this row. So I will select this row. We do have the name called header, and now before to match, before to give this reference, we have to select this one, and then we will give our row name, that is header. So what we are trying to do here is this formula. First it will check this employee ID column, and then it will go to the row and it will check the city name. So whatever will be the city name as per of the employee ID, it will give us here as a result. Now I'll select 0, and again I'll choose exact values. Now once you will enter, so as you can see, automatically this values got highlighted because we do have this result here. And now for example, here from validation, if I'll change anything, so you can see this values are automatically changing. As you can see, this employee ID has been repeated. I mean this city name has been repeated here. So as you can see, so now what we want to do is, whatever the value is here, this column also should highlighted, so that we will be able to see whether this employee ID is exactly showing the value. So simply how we can do is, go to the conditional formatting, go to the highlight, select text that contain, and from here what we will do is simply we will select this cell. So as you can see, reference is here, and now I guess first we have to select this column, then go to conditional formatting and text that contain this. So here we will select this one, and automatically it will get highlighted. Now as you can see here, this employee ID is here, and here is our value. So now for example, if I'll change employee ID, this column should be highlighted with this employee ID, and the result should be highlighted with this. So simply let me go to here and select this one. So here as you can see, the Columbus is the city name from where this employee is. And again, if we will see anything from here, any values, so automatically it will highlight this one. And again it is showing is Chicago. So let's try something else, this one. So yes, this is Austin. So Austin is here. So I hope you understood how you can use a VLOOKUP match, and in the simplest form I have also shown you how you can use conditional formatting to validate your result. So if you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and subscribe, and let's meet on the other video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.